Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to recover your Gmail account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily recover your Gmail account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root advice, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, search for your Gmail app. So search for Gmail and make sure your Gmail is updated to the latest version. Now once you have updated your Gmail application, go back and open your Gmail. Now once you open your Gmail, at the top right corner you can see a profile. Click on your profile over here, and once you click on your profile, you see add another account. Click on this option which says add another account, and once you click on add another account, it's gonna take you to the next set up email. You can see over here set up email. Click on Google, and once you click on Google, just wait as it is loading. You're checking info. Now once you get to this place, you can see sign in. Now click here and then enter the account you want to recover. So just enter the account over here and then click on next over here. Now once you click on next, it will take you to this place asking for password. Now we don't know the password, so click on forgot password. Now once you click on forgot password, you can see it is asking for your number. Click on try another way. Now once you click on try another way to recover your account, you can see over here use a phone number from your account. You don't want to use our number, so you can see click on try another way once again, and you can see couldn't sign in over here. You can see you didn't provide enough info for Google to be sure this account is really yours. So now just skip this option and let me show you the another way, the easiest way it will work for you. Now open your Play Store, and once you open your Play Store, all you do is to search for open your Play Store and then search for secure VPN over here. Now once you search for secure VPN, there are many, but I will recommend this one. So if your secure VPN is not updated, update your secure VPN over here. This particular app has over 100 million plus download, so download secure VPN and go ahead and open your secure VPN. So open your secure VPN over here, and once you open secure VPN, you can see checking network. So just wait as it is loading and click on connect. You can see connect to app. Open your over here your Google app. Now look for Google and tap and hold on Google. Click on app info. Now once you go to app info on Google, click on permissions, and once you click on permissions, you can see location. Make sure it is don't allow, it is on don't allow location. Now once you are done with this, open your phone settings over here. Now once you open your phone settings, go to where you can see Google. And once you click on Google over here, you can see 3 lines at the top right corner. Click on it and click on help. Once you click on help, and the not at the top right corner, it will take you to this place, and you can see over here. Now click on search, and enter lost or stolen phone over here. Now once you search for lost or stolen phone, click on the first option over here. And once you click on the first option, it will take you to this place, and you can see over here, you can see recover your account. Click on this option and you can see steps to complete account recovery steps. Click on this option. And then you can see over here account recovery page. Click on this option. Now just wait as it is loading over here. And you can see recover account. Now enter the email you want to recover over here. Now click on paste. You have to enter the account you want to recover. Then you click on next. Now once you click on next, it will take you to this place. And you can see over here, try another way to sign in. Click on try another way to sign in over here, because we don't remember the password. So click on try another way to sign in. And once you click on try another way, you can see success over here. So you can see you are signed in now. So with this, you can easily recover your account. So you can choose to change your password. Click on change password and use a new password that you remember. So with this, you can easily create a new password and also recover your Gmail account as well. So make sure you follow all the steps in this video. Download the secure VPN, and with this you can easily recover your account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.